P's and K's, chicken strips, yeah, with chicken sandwich, their fries, and their sauce. Lemonade on it. It has a lot of sugar, just how my color like it. Let's see what they have in it. Okay, they have some sauce, their special sauce. Their special sauce with one piece of lettuce. That's good. That's a good sandwich. Oh, you know my producer don't tell me. I got stuff on my face. The bread is nice and sauce. The chicken's not too salty. I think I could drink this whole gallon. This is some good chicken. That's coming from a black man. Some good chicken. So now we're gonna try these. Excuse me, I'm so rude. I think that's the best thing on the menu. Try the fries. Okay. They just like the bag fries you buy at the grocery store, the freezer section. The sauce, I can't really taste that. The sauce is bland. It's okay. Out of 10, I give them a 6. It's okay. It's alright. We don't have enough crunch to these. The sandwich is okay. The sauce is bland. The best thing on the menu is this right here. Excuse me. I'm so rude. Y'all need to get a dessert on the menu. I will be donating this food to the homeless people in Skid Row in Los Angeles. Just so you guys know, okay? So I love you. That's my review of Kane.